All right, you seen that title in the thumbnail, and we got a quick, easy one-pan meal today. It's one of my favorite meals I like to cook when I want something real quick. I'm gonna show you guys how to make this chili mac and cheese. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's quickly go over our ingredients real quick. Back here we have some crushed tomatoes here, tomato sauce. We got our ground beef here, our bell peppers. Right here we have some cheddar and Monterey Jack cheese here, mozzarella cheese here, a red onion, beef broth, some red kidney beans, cumin, black pepper, chili powder, some olive oil, paprika, chopped garlic, salt, and we have our elbow macaroni here. So, looks like a lot of ingredients, but hey, we gonna get the job done today, all right? Let's get to it. All right, to get started, we're gonna take our olive oil here, we're gonna add it to our dish right here, or our pan. We're gonna get that baby warmed up. Once that oil heats up, we're gonna go in with our onions. And we're gonna move these around in here until they soften. This will take about 3 to 4 minutes, maybe less. All right, so after that 3 to 4 minutes, and you notice that those onions are softened, you're gonna go in with your green bell peppers and your garlic. And we're gonna get that moved around in here for another minute or so till you get that garlic fragrant and that pepper fragrance too. Man, that smells good. All right, so after that minute or so, we're gonna go in with our ground beef. We're gonna trade out utensils and we're gonna start crushing our ground beef into our mixture. And we're gonna cook this until it's fully cooked and brown all the way through. All right, so now that our ground beef is brown, we're gonna go in with our chili powder, our cumin, our paprika, our salt, and some of that black pepper. And we're gonna cook this for another 1 to 2 minutes, get all those ingredients infused and talking to each other like we like. All right, after that 1 to 2 minutes, we're gonna go in with our kidney beans, our tomato sauce, our crushed tomatoes, and our beef broth right here. So you wanna crank that heat up to a medium high because you wanna get this to come to a boil. And while it comes up to a boil, you wanna get that baby mixed in like this. All right, as you can see, the mixture is starting to boil. We're gonna go in with our elbow macaroni now. And we're gonna get that mixed in here like that. You wanna reduce your heat down to like a slight simmer now. And you want this to cook for the next 10 to 12 minutes. I'm gonna cover mine up. And we're gonna let that rock out for the next 10 to 12 minutes. All right, so we're about 15 minutes in. I had to let my pasta cook just a little bit longer than the 10 to 12 minutes. So we're gonna turn our heat off right now. Let's remove our lid. And guys, you want this to have some liquid in it. You know, I don't like mine thick without any liquid. I like to have some liquid in it. Pretty much just like this right here. Not too watery, but more like a chili texture, just like this to be honest. And now we're gonna go in with our cheeses. So we're gonna take about 3/4 of our mozzarella here, add here, and about half of our Monterey and cheddar cheese here. And we're just gonna get this mixed in until it melts and becomes cheesy. All right, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove this from the heat. We want this baby to stop cooking. All right, now we're gonna take the remaining of our cheese and we're gonna put it on the top just like this. The remaining of that Monterey Jack and that mozzarella. That's really not enough for me, so I had me a little bit more here on the side to add to the top like this. And all you're gonna do now is take your lid and we're just gonna cover this up for about 2 to 3 minutes, let that cheese melt, and we're gonna come back. All right, so we're about 2 to 3 minutes in. Let's remove our lid. Man, look at that. All right, so now we go ahead and get this baby plated up, because you already know what's the next step, and that is quality control. Woo. Need a close up on that though. Go ahead and throw that baby down like that. Oh man. And guys, you know what would have been nice? You already know what I'm gonna say. Them jalapenos. My baby hot too. Oh man. Look at that. That baby cheesy, son. Chili mac, guys. Listen, you gotta add this one to your recipe to-do list from AWE. And until then, guys, remember, I'm not a chef. I just cook a lot, and I'm out. Peace.